In today's video, I am going to teach you travel intro animation using text reveal effect in Canva. We'll build a clean professional travel opener where your text appears as a plane passes across the screen. Open a video project in Canva and choose a travel themed background, like a beach shoreline or a mountain range. Pick something with enough negative space so your text can stand out and adjust the background image to fill the page for a polished look. Next, add the revealing element. In the Elements tab, search for an airplane and add a style that fits your brand. Simple silhouettes work great. Resize it so it's large enough to be noticed but not so big it covers the entire frame. Place it near the left edge for setup. Now search for a rectangular shape and place it over the very front of the plane. This creates a clean leading edge that will feel like a moving mask. Select both the plane and the rectangle, then group them so they move as one. With the group selected, drag it to the right side of the canvas to stage it for the motion. Type your travel text. This could be your destination, a channel intro, or a short tagline. And position it exactly where you want it to appear. Make sure the text layer sits behind the moving plane group so the plane can pass over it. You can do this by sending the text backward until it's beneath the plane group. To help the words read clearly over a busy background, open effects on the text and add a subtle shadow. Tweak the blur, transparency, and offset, so it looks natural and just lifts the text from the scene. Now create the reveal motion. Select the plane group and click Animate. Then choose Create an Animation. Click and drag the plane straight across the screen so it passes directly over your hidden text. Hold Shift while dragging to keep the path perfectly straight for a crisp professional move. With the path set, select your text and apply either the wipe or typewriter animation from the text animation maker. Adjust the timing so the text animation lines up with the speed of the plane. The goal is for the text to draw on exactly as the plane's nose passes over each letter. Creating the reveal illusion. When everything feels synced, press play to preview. If the reveal feels early or late, nudge the timing until it matches perfectly. Finally, download your video in your preferred format and you are done. Thanks for watching.